Complement, we talk about the probability that the event A does not happen. So we could be talking about the probability of event A or the probability that everything except for A happens. Okay? And we know that the probability of all the probabilities of an event happening are going to add to 1. So if we have the probability of A, everything in A, plus the probability of everything outside of A, this is going to equal 1. If we rearrange this simply, we know that the probability of A not happening is just going to be 1 minus the probability of A happening. And again, that's like the indirect method. So same thing. Now, let's take a look at this example. What is the probability that a randomly drawn integer between 1 and 30 is not a perfect square? So when we talk about perfect squares, we talk about 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. Anything that basically you can root, okay? Root x. Now, what's the probability that it is not a perfect square? So we know that the event A, let's put as a perfect square. And the event A complement is everything except for a perfect square. So not a perfect square. So if we wanted to solve for not a perfect square, we just simply take 1 and then subtract, well, there's 5 outcomes and there's 30 numbers. So it's like 1 minus 1 over 6, and we get 5 over 6. So therefore, the probability of not having a perfect square is 5 over 6.